Hello guys, if you are a Snapchat user and Snapchat has suddenly stopped working and it shows you the message, unfortunately Snapchat has stopped working. So this video is for you because in this video I will tell you the solution. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, open the settings of your mobile phone and then tap on apps and notifications. Tap on apps and here find the Snapchat app and then open it. Now you should have to go to the storage of the Snapchat and clear the cache as well as the data. Now go back and here tap on force stop and then OK. Now close the setting and go to Google Play Store and tap on search bar and type Snapchat and then open it, and here update the Snapchat application. I hope this will work for you, but if this not work, then completely uninstall the Snapchat app and reinstall it again. So this will fix your problem. So hope this will work. Thanks.